Right, guys, this one is about to break, and I am gonna put some batteries in it. So, and we have 3 hair dryers, and this one I think is about to break too. Yeah, this one is the best. There we go. And this one is about to break anyway. You can see it has that too. Right, we have this little rattle stock, and we have this cow. We do it like this. And we're not doing it long because it's a little bit time. Bye, guys! Smash that like button and have a good day. And subscribe and down below. Thank you.